Hey guys, welcome to today's video and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you this beautiful emerald green and red half cut crease eye look, and this makeup is specially for Christmas and I love the way how it turned out. It is so Christmassy, so sparkly, and those glitters just made it look like exact Christmas makeup. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm taking this matte orange shade from my Makeup Revolution and Wild Animal Integrity palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color, and I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness. I did a full swatch review and tutorial video of this palette. If you want to watch it, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Now I'm taking this beautiful matte red eyeshadow from the palette and I'm just applying it on my crease as well as slightly as on top of my transition color because I want that red to pop. Now I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm applying it on my outer V area in a V shape, and the brush that I'm using is from ELF Cosmetics. I'm taking this beautiful shimmery emerald green color from the palette and I'm applying it on top of my eyelid, and I'm going to cut my crease at the same time with a smaller brush. I'm just cutting my crease. I'm just cutting my crease and doing like a half cut crease eye look here. Now I'm taking this Milani Hypnotic Lights eye topper in the shade Prismatic Light, and I'm just applying it on top of the green eyeshadow. I really wanted to use an dark emerald green glitter, but I could not find any and I do not have any in my collection, so I'm using whatever I have. But if you can find a dark emerald green glitter, then that would be the best. And I'm just lining the cut crease with a glitter eyeliner, and it will make my cut crease look even prominent. And of course it's a Christmas look, so a little bit of glitter is required. Now I'm just tightlining my eyes using the Jordana Eyeliner in jet black. Now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the same matte black eyeshadow. I'm taking the emerald green eyeshadow and I'm just applying it on the border of that black eyeshadow. Taking the red eyeshadow, I'm just applying it on the border of that green eyeshadow to make everything look put together. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Flower Beauty highlighter. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Loreal Superstar mascara. And here is the final eye look. I applied falsies off camera. It's my Kiss lashes in the style Gala. My makeup details will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And I truly love the way how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care and Merry Christmas.